Presenting Redmi Note 10 Lite. This smartphone comes in 5 color variants of Aqua Green, Aurora Blue, Champagne Gold, Glacier White and Interstellar Black. The phone is available in 3 style variants of 4GB RAM with 64GB storage, 4GB RAM with 128GB storage and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. With dual nano SIM connectivity, you can stay close with all your loved ones. The 6.67-inch Full HD Plus full screen with dot display, LCD, multi-touch capacitive touchscreen and 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution give you an immersive experience. The smartphone features 48 megapixels rear camera with 8 megapixels ultra-wide, 2 megapixel super macro, 2 megapixel portrait camera and a 16 megapixel front-facing camera. It also features night mode, 960 FPS slow motion, AI scene recognition, Pro Color, HDR and Pro Mode to let you capture that perfect shot. This Redmi smartphone is powered by 2.3 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G with 8nm octa-core processor for a smooth performance. The 5020 mAh lithium polymer large battery providing talk time of 29 hours and standby time of 556 hours.